Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products out there. Today, we're talking about something that's a game changer in the world of beauty, the best eyebrow stencils you can find. These eyebrow stencils from Linkinghome have been making waves, and for good reason. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or a professional, these stencils promise to revolutionize how you shape your brows. Let's break down what makes these stencils stand out. First off, they come in a set of 24 different shapes, carefully curated to suit 98% of face shapes and eyebrow preferences. That means whether you prefer a bold arch or a subtle curve, there's a stencil here for you. Made from high-quality PEVA material, they're not just durable and soft, but also skin-friendly. The elastic strap ensures they stay securely in place while you shape your brows, making the process seamless and comfortable. Using these stencils is a breeze. Simply choose the stencil that matches your desired shape, hold it against your brow, and fill it in with your favorite eyebrow product. It's quick, it's precise, and it's perfect every time. Just take a look at these before and after shots. The transformation is incredible, and it speaks volumes about the effectiveness of these stencils in creating perfectly shaped brows. Beyond just convenience, these stencils are a time saver. In just 3 minutes, you can have flawless brows ready to complement your look, whether you're heading to work or getting ready for a night out. Now, I know some of you might be wondering about the longevity of these stencils. Well, they're not only reusable but also easy to clean, making them eco-friendly and cost-effective in the long run. So, if you're looking to up your eyebrow game without spending hours in front of the mirror, these eyebrow stencils from Linkinghome are a must-have in your beauty arsenal. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, they make achieving perfect eyebrows effortless. That wraps up today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And as always, stay tuned for more unbiased product reviews right here on Product Critique.